Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to put Freon in your car Ram 1500. First, prioritize safety by wearing protective eyewear and gloves. Make sure your Ram 1500 is turned off and parked securely on a flat surface. You'll need a can of R134A refrigerant, a charging hose with a pressure gauge, and possibly a flathead screwdriver for valve caps. Having these items ready ensures a smooth and safe process. Now let's find the low-pressure AC service port. In your Ram 1500, this is typically on the passenger side, near the firewall. It's the smaller of the two AC ports. Remove its cap, usually marked with an L. Then, securely attach the quick connect fitting of your charging hose to this port. You should hear a click, indicating it's properly seated. With the hose connected, start your Ram 1500 engine and set the air conditioning to its coldest and highest fan speed. Shake the refrigerant can well, then screw it onto the charging hose. Hold the can upright and slowly squeeze the trigger, adding refrigerant in short bursts of 5 to 10 seconds. Continuously monitor the pressure gauge to avoid overfilling, which can damage your system. Keep adding refrigerant until the gauge indicates the pressure is within the manufacturer's recommended range, typically between 25 and 45 psi on the low side. Once complete, disconnect the charging hose quickly and replace the service port cap. Enjoy your newly cooled cabin. Also, for an amazing home upgrade, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.